Alright guys, welcome. Another video. I'm up pretty early, 5:45, and doing some fishing today. So, hope you guys enjoy that. If you guys do enjoy these fishing videos, go down, like, subscribe if you are new. And yeah, yeah. Alright, so I'm at like kind of a campground type of thing. And I'm here at like 5:30 a.m. So that was gate locked. Days. Okay, yeah, we're chilling. But yeah, I parked my car up by like a playground, and I was originally gonna leave my salmon rod in there, but I'm not trying to have that stolen. Okay, so I'm about like right at the water, and I think the gate just opened, but it's okay. Oh, I forgot cooler too. Oh, but yeah, the gate just opened, so that's sick. All right, so if you look just over there, sun's just about to pop over the mountain, and yeah, seems like a pretty good day so far. Okay, so the original plan, or the plan is, this is all like super strong current, and there's a little channel right along this boat ramp that makes it, the boat ramp like a little current break for like the salmon or steelhead or whatever that's swimming up it. Not sure which one is up it or whoa for what's chilling here, but we're gonna find out. All right, so the original plan was I was gonna plunk. That's what it's called. Just a big old weight with a quick fish and scents, and you just throw it out there. And generally, just the motive is to just piss off whatever's chilling in the hole. And the scent on there is there to get their attention and be like, "Yo, what is that smell?" And that's the general attention for the quick fish. But I can't really use it in that spot because I think I have way too heavy a weight, and maybe my quick fish are a little too big. So that's fun. But right now, I am moving to a new spot. Bro, I hate these. Just come here, fly up, go psh, and then ruin the fishing. I just snuck up onto the spot too. Bro, it's funny. Anyways, I'm at the new spot. If you guys didn't tell, new spot, new hole. And you guys see all these like little bubbles chilling along here? That's a really good thing. That means there's this steam here, or there's a channel, that's the word. There's a channel just chilling. I probably should let this drop more. There's this channel just chilling, and that's like where all the fish like to go, Foam is home. Right now we're just going by hella slow with the bobber. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I hope my camera's picking that up, but what is that? For a second that sounded... It's like screaming. What is that? It's like something like screeching. And I think I just heard a fish jump. But the screeching stopped. But what was that? Okay, so 5 minutes. screeching stopped, and then all of a sudden it just started acting up again. I think I might leave the spot and find another spot, because one, spot's not chilling, and two, I don't really feel comfortable listening to that while I'm fishing. It's just honestly, like, if you guys could hear this is such a disturbing noise. It's just loud screeching, and you don't know what it is. So, I mean, like, obviously, your imagination's gonna get to you. Bro, what am I talking about on this channel? No, but I hear this fucking, like, screaming. Not screaming, but just, like, I don't know. Just, like, screeching. And I'm just like, honestly, what is that? I don't know if I honestly want to find out what it is. I don't know if I want to see what it is, but yeah. Okay, so fun fact. I actually lied about the time spending down there. I was down there for about like an hour. But I mean, still. Hour, 2 hours, there's no difference. Okay. But yeah, actually, when I was walking back along the blackberries, I heard the fucking noise again. I heard that dang noise again. I have no idea if it was a like bird or something, or if it was like a person chilling in the woods, or what it was. But it was honestly such a weird noise. I've never heard that noise before. But I'm gonna be off to spot number 2. So yeah, let's go there. Alright guys, so we're at the second spot, and I'm at like a bridge, and you could look down and you could see like a lot of the fish in the water. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I could see any. I might not, because the glare here is pretty stinking bad, but still. Okay, I'm gonna try to be very quiet here, so if you guys don't hear me talk a lot, that's probably gonna be why. But look at how nice blue this water looks. Honestly, it looks so nice. That was nice. Okay, I'm gonna try out this rock for a minute, then I'm gonna head down, try from there. Don't get anything to bite, well, move to the next spot. Okay guys, so when I was leaving, actually, a huge steelhead just came up and ate a fly off the surface. So I would plan for next week, or yeah, next week. So yeah, you guys might see a fly fishing video up in about a week. Yeah, about a week, because I'm all like pre-recording this, because it's like Friday, and that mountain bike video that I made, I also recorded that this week because I didn't have work. So that was sick. Third spot. It's probably one of my favorite fishing spots. Actually, exactly last year, I caught a pretty nice trout from this spot, stinking duck, and hopefully I can redo that, you know? Okay guys, so fishing for steelhead trout, that wasn't going too hot, but I have a picture of a huge carp. I was chilling. I saw some like trout chilling, so I'm like, okay, I'll try for them. But look at this, okay? I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a carp chilling right there. Try to zoom in. There's the carp, all right there. There's also a video I took. Never mind. Not a video, but still. I'm gonna run home, grab maybe some bread, some corn, and we're gonna go back to the spot and get that carp. So, I honestly don't think you guys saw the carp in the picture, but that's okay, because I'm gonna go and try to catch him. I have bread with me, and I ran home, so I got a thing of corn. So, I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna pull this off, but we're gonna see. I also grabbed my polarized glasses too, so I could see way better. This carp I'm looking at is so big, but it needs to chill out. It keeps on racing up and down, up and down. I don't know if it smells my corn. I don't know what it's thinking, but I'm really gonna try my hardest to get this guy. I'm gonna try this again. Hopefully I could catch one on recording. Use. Oh yeah, now they're running away from my bait. What did I do? It's not the carp anymore, it's the trout. The trout are a lot. They really like this. Going. Oh, it's not even a trout. It's a squawfish. Holy crap, this is a huge squawfish. Okay, no, but the first one I hooked was a trout. And there's a carp here. Carp is here. Carp is here. But here's the... Throw him back in. Swims off. Guys, I think I found the secret bait. I think it's corn. No joke. I think corn is the secret bait. Okay, one has it. Oh, missed a set. Got another one. I'm gonna let this guy run a bit. So maybe more will come. Nah, nothing's happening. Holy crap, chill. Very rough release, but it's a fish that's invasive, and there's people watching me catch these fish. So I don't really want to kill them in front of their kids. That'd be great. I get yelled at by a dad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get up here. Get up here. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. It's still running. It's still running. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at how big that thing is. That is a huge squawfish. A absolute huge squawfish. Oh my god. That's like 3 pounds. That's like 3 pounds. Oh my god. So I'm home now.
and just look at the time. 12:14. So I spent about like I spent like 6 hours fishing. But yeah. I really wish I did catch those carp though, because those things were huge. Those things were like pretty cool looking. But this might be a future video. Ooh, who knows? But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, go down, like, and if you guys are new, go down and subscribe. You know, the subscribe actually helps me quite a bit. I feel happy when you guys subscribe. But yeah, bye guys.